Just got me a cheesesteak, man, from Shanks Deli. I mean, not Shanks Deli, Shanks. On Columbus Boulevard near the Pier, man. This thing is crazy. Cheesesteak with cheese whiz and fried onions. This thing is a beast. You know? Delicious. Near Pier 40, near Christian Street. Come on down, man, and get you one. This thing is crazy. Seated roll. It's the best cheesesteak I ever had. And I've been to a lot of places. Come on down to Shanks, y'all. Get you a cheesesteak, I'm telling you. $15, but it's worth every dime. You know what I mean? Leave them likes in them comments. Peace.